Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Lifestyles. I'm Brianna, and today I will be reviewing a Nickelodeon slime kit, I guess. But it's called Ocean Sensation, and what it has in the box is one glue, one activator, 3 colorants, a bag of glitter, 2 bags of model lit light, 2 fish bowls, 4 charms, 1 measuring cup, 2 mixing bowls, 2 sticks, and 1 spoon, and then the instructions. And if you hear the music in the back, there's a party, a graduation party across the street from us, and they are bumping, okay? But I got this from Walmart, and it was $10. For this little thing, I think that's a good price. I don't know. But let's get started. I hate when they tape it like this. It's so hard. Got it. Okay. So, here's the instructions. We're going to follow those. Okay. Oh. I don't think I need this. So, okay. I think this is like a little clay, like it says model light, so I think it's the clay. Yeah. So there's 2 of these. It looks like a clay. I mean, I don't know if it is. Here's the 2 mixing bowls. Here is the slime activator. Here is the glue. The clear glue. They give us clear glue. Here are the charms. Here is the 4 charms. Let me show you. A little starfish. It's very cute. A little fish. Another starfish, but a different color. Like a nice little blue. Nothing's on the back. And a little pink seahorse. It is so cute. I like this one. Well, and it was in the measuring cup. I would have never noticed that. But here's the little measuring cup. A little package of white glitter. The 2 fish bowls. The 3 colors. The 2 mixing sticks and the spoon. And nothing else. So, let me grab my bowl and get it ready. And I'm going to put this to the side. Okay. Let's read some instructions. So it says, getting started, find a clean, flat surface to work on. Protect your work surface with paper towels or newspaper before starting. Mix and make slime. Follow the directions below to create 3 different colors of slime. They will be used to layer in the clear container. Keep the slime separate until you have finished making each one. Make sure to rinse the measuring cup after making each slime. Measure 5 milliliters of clear glue and then pour it into the thing in here. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much glue as possible. So, let's get started. It says 15 milliliters. And it has numbers on it. It goes up to 25 milliliters. And then on the other side, 22.5 and all those other numbers. Is it open? No, it's not. Let me see. Okay, it has a seal on it. Okay, I'm almost there. Almost there. I made it. So I'm gonna pour it in, and it says to scrape the sides of the cup so I can get as much glue as I can. I'm gonna use this stick because I think this is for something else. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot in here. This needs to get out. I'm not wasting it. Okay, that's as much as I can get out. So, number 2, measure 25 milliliters of water, room temperature. Pour it into the same bowl as the glue. So hold on, I'll be back. So, I got the water in this cup because I didn't read the instructions because I just opened it on camera. So, it says 25 milliliters of water, room temperature. So, I'm just scoop it. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Where's the numbers? It's like hard to see. Oh my. Oh, okay. So it says 25. So, and 25 is the last number, I believe. I'm gonna have to keep dipping it in. Alright. You know what? I think I got it. Okay. Well, here's the water. And now add 2 spoonfuls of colorant to the bowl with the glue and water. And then stir the mixture with the slime stick until fully blended. So the first color I want to start with is this one right here. It's like a dark blue, but it looks like it has like purple. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so here's one. Ooh, it's very pretty. And here is 2. Okay, let me just try to get this out. Okay. So I just added the 2 things of paint, and now I'm gonna just mix it in. It looks very nice. It's just you gotta make sure you get all the color in because it's like it's separating. It looks like it separates. Okay, so make sure one more time. Just go through it. Okay, so this is the color. You can see it. I can see it too. Okay. So now, number 4. Measure 5 milliliters of slime activator solution and slowly pour it into the same bowl while stirring slowly. You will see the mixture get thicker. Continue stirring until all the solution is absorbed. So this is the slime activator, and here's the measuring cup. I gotta open it. Okay. So I just took off the thing. I'm gonna pour it in now. Let's see. So it says make sure you pour it in slowly. Don't pour the whole thing at once. Is what it's trying to tell you. Okay. So I'm gonna pour it in slowly. I'm gonna just do one little splash like that because I'm scared that it could overactivate because it's already thickening. Look at that. Boom. It's coming together faster than I would have thought. Let me close this coloring because I don't want it to get on me. Alright. So I'm going to have to add some more. And I almost added all of it. But I didn't yet. Now it's definitely getting thicker. Look at it. It's coming together nice. Wow. Okay. I'm going to need more. Okay. Because it's coming together, but I don't want it to be too sticky. Alright, so I'm going to mix it with my hand so I can make sure everything is mixed in the right way. Okay, it looks very pretty. I love this color. Woo-wee. So, now, okay. So now, let's see. I'm gonna need this. I have to wipe my hands off, you know. Okay, so, oh, back to this. So it's the same thing pretty much, but I'm still gonna follow it. And I'm going to still read it. But let's go. So, here's the glue. Okay. So, it's 15 still. I'm going to pour this on my napkin. Because it's Activator. And I don't want the slime to mix in the cup. So, just, it's okay. It's just a little bit. Anyways. It's 15. Okay. So, here's this thingy. I mean, the glue. Okay, enough. Okay. Okay, it's coming out. Oh. Okay, maybe there still was some activator in there. Okay. I don't think I'm going to add this in here. Unless it's still... Oh, yeah, no. It's turning. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, well. So now I'm going to need to add my water. And it's 25 milliliters. I can't even see where the numbers are. Okay. You know the glue's getting in the way. Okay. I'm just going to do that. Just drop a little bit out. And this is the 25. Okay, and now is the 2 spoonfuls of colorant. So I'm going to do this color right in the middle. It's very pretty. It looks like a mermaid. Like something like a mermaid color. So here's my spoon. 1 spoonful. It's very pretty. Wow. And 2. Oh no, I don't want this to spill on me. So now I'm going to have to mix it all in. That piece of slime that turned into slime in the cup is in here. It's like a chunk that's not going nowhere. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to take it out. This little piece that's already activated. Okay. So now is the time for the activator. Help. Okay. So the activator is 5 milliliters. And here's the activator. The same thing. And that is it. And add it slowly. Like that. Well, I added 2 little splashes. It's so pretty, like the colors that they come with. I never seen it in none of the kits that I have tried of Nickelodeon, but it's pretty nice. Need some more activator. I didn't read the other stage, but it's like you need it with your fingers. And then it's finished. Okay, I'm gonna need it with my fingers now. Unless it needs more, but it probably does. Yeah, probably. Oh yeah, it needs this last little bit of splash. Okay. Ew. Ew. This one is very jiggly. I might have added a little bit too much water. But it's fine. It's gonna work for now. Okay. Alrighty. So, this next one. As you can see, they only gave us 2 bowls. And we're supposed to make 3 different slimes. And I'm gonna have to improvise. And I brought my own bowl. Being smart. Okay, so. Alright, I've already getting slime everywhere. Let me drop this to the side because I don't need this no more. And I'm going to have to get the clear glue again. And 15 milliliters again. There it is. Okay, there's no other stick. They just chipping me today. It's okay, you know what? Okay. So, now is the water, which is 25 milliliters. And now the color, which is this last color right here. Very pretty. Oh, I'm struggling a little bit. Because I have, look at the slime is going on my fingers. I'm over here struggling. Hold on. 1 second. Let's see. Am I missing anything? No. Okay, I'm not. That's fine. Alrighty, got it open. So it's just 2 spoonfuls again. 1 and 2. And I'm gonna close it because I don't want it to spill it. I don't think it's closed. Alright, so now it is. Okay, got this little piece of slime stuck on me from this slime. So now I have to mix it and then add the activator. This one you can see better how it turns into the slime. Any more? Yep. Alright, this color is very nice also. I just have other slime on me. It's fine. So, slime activator is 5 milliliters. And this is gonna... I poured the whole thing in. It's okay. I don't think I poured the whole amount because there's like water and glue mixed at the bottom. So, I'm gonna add probably more. So now you need the model light. Both of them, actually. You put them together and you separate them into 3 pieces. And on the back it says that. And then after you split them into... Ooh, it feels so nice. Wow. It's like a model magic clay. Or Daiso, whatever you want to call it. Got it open. Yay. So now I gotta get this one out. Alright, so now you just mix them together. They're soft. I like it. It feels very, very soft. So now I gotta move this to the side of me. And I'm gonna try to probably roll it like this way. And then cut it into 3. So there should be 1 right here. 1. I guess this is got a little bit of activator right there. This one has more. Make them even. I think so. So now I'm gonna use my spoon, and now I have to add them. Now I have to add the colors into it. Each ball has 1 different color. So I'm just I don't know how much I should do. So I'm just do this much on this one. Oops. I'm gonna wipe this out right quick so I don't mix the colors in together yet. Then I'm gonna add this color into this one right here in the middle. And now the last color, this one, right into this one. Boom. So now I'm finished with the colors, but I have to mix them in. So this one is coming out really light. Like, it's probably going to be lighter than all of them. I don't know if I should add more. No, I don't know. I don't think so. So this is it's like a baby blue. You could kind of see it. Well, this is the clay or whatever. This is this one. Well, this color right here. The clay is soft. Like, it feels so nice to just to have in my hand right now. Okay, this one's like a I don't know, it's like a mint green, but lighter, you know? I don't know if you could see it. I don't know, you could kind of see it, but here's this last color, is this one. And it's mixing in. So, now I'm going to split these into different size balls. And, yeah, like, it doesn't matter what size, actually. This one. And do this one. Oh. Into that one. I'm going to make them smaller than what that one is. I think this little one. This one I could split in probably half like that. So I could have like enough to make it look nice and pretty. So this is made, well, almost made. Well, yeah, I'm gonna make it smaller, a little small one. Like this. Well, you see, this one is different sizes. It doesn't have to be all the same size. I'm gonna make one little big one, but it's fine. I'm gonna make this one. This one. Actually, I'm gonna make it this one, this big. And yeah, made this one. It looks like a little tiny marshmallow. Ooh. So now as you can see, I did the balls little sizes, more so it could fit in there. And now I'm gonna have to mix this, but make sure you keep them separate because they like to stick on each other. And then you have to try to separate them. So the first color I'm going to start with is this. I'm going to do just a little bit of this one first. That one goes in. And I'm going to do some of this one. Okay. Then I'm going to add some of this one. This one came out better. I feel like better than all of them because look at that. Boom. I'm going to try like that. I don't know if I'm going to need that other bowl because it's already in here. But okay. Okay, so this little bit left in here. It looks like it's swirled because I mixed it with my finger like this a little bit. And now I'm adding this piece at the top. So now I'm going to move this really quickly to the side of me. And now after you did this, this is how it looks at the bottom. So now my little charms are on the side of me. I'm just add them all on. And then we're going to mix it. Make it look little. I don't even see the different colors right because I'm just picking at them. And yeah. It looks like little marshmallows in a cup with juice. And put some in this corner here because there's none. And boom. Right. And that is that. So I'm doing the glitter now. It's like a nice white glitter. Alright, so I'm going to put the whole thing because it's pretty. Like, you can't go wrong with glitter. I feel that way. Okay, so I'm going to add the charms and I'm going to show you how it looks. Little charm. This one is so cute, the pink one. Definitely keeping that one. Alright, put this one here. And this is how it looks. You can see the glitter. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take these charms out and I'm going to mix it. See how the consistency comes out because some of the slimes actually turned out jiggly. And it's adding like some type of clay into it. Alright. All my glitter. I'm gonna just mix it in. In the little chunks of clay. You can see it here very closely. Here it is. You're gonna break it. So I'm gonna just keep mixing, you know? Look at the little streak right here. You see it? It looks like, I don't know, it's like all the colors mixing. But I feel like the blue one is the dark blue one is going to take over. But it's going to get lighter because of the clay and it's white. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the consistency of it. It's like a jiggly slime, but it actually has like a nice texture. Like it's thick a little bit. Due to the clay, of course. But would I buy it again? Yes. But I do have a complaint about it. 1, there was no other bowl. 2, where's the storage? Where am I going to put this? I mean, I have somewhere to put it, but where am I going to put it? Like, okay, let's see. It's very stretchy. I like it. It's just you have to read the instructions to make it the correct way. Don't try to make it yourself, thinking you know what you're doing. I know some people do that. I do that. And here's a little swirl. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you can see every time we post a new video. Also, make sure you add us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.